I'm going to put half a lime in each of these glasses. And maybe 6 mint leaves per glass. 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. And we're going to just muddle this and squish all that lime with the sugar and the lime and the mint. I'm going to smear the edge of my glasses with a little mint leaf. I put some ice cubes in each one of these. I'm going to put 1.5 ounces of white rum into each of these. And we're going to top them off with some club soda. I'm going to give them a good little stir. And we have a beautifully refreshing drink. Salud. Perfect. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, I hope you give me a like, and if you haven't subbed, you sub, and if you could share and comment, that would be just spectacular. I will have this recipe on the website waiting for you guys to come and print it whenever you want. In the meantime, eat well without going broke. I'm gonna see you soon.